Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve another problem from Leetcode. It's called rotate string. Okay, so it was my yesterday's daily question, but unfortunately yesterday I couldn't record the video. But from now on, I have a new goal. I want to upload at least one video every day. I know it's hard, but it will help me, just to keep into this routine. Okay, anyway, let's get started. Given two strings s and go, return true if and only if s can come go after some number of shifts on s. A shift on s consists of moving the leftmost character of s to the rightmost position. Basically, moving from the first position to the last position. For example, if s equals a, b, c, d, e, then it will be b, c, d, e, a after one shift. Okay, that's what I said. So we just moved a, from the start of the string to the end of the string. Okay, so here in this first example, we have a, b, c, d, e, and the goal is c, d, e, a, b. Okay, so for this first example, we just need to shift. The first one will move to the end of the string, and then we'll move b in front of a, and we will have c, d, e, a, b. Okay, for the next example, we have a, b, c, d, e, and the goal is a, b, c, e, d. Okay, so here it's not possible because, we have different positions for d and e in both strings. That's why the output here is false. Okay, so the first approach would be to go through the entire string. So just do a loop, going through the entire string. And during this iteration, what we could do is just getting s from the first position. Just getting s. Let's call it rash, I will explain you, plus s in the first position. Then we'll put this value in s. Okay, so what does that even mean? Like, basically, let's say s at the first position right now is a, then we'll put a in here, and the rash will be the rash of the array. So b, c, d, e would be here. So we basically are doing b, c, d, e plus a and adding this value to s. So right now, after the first iteration, s would be b, c, d, e, a. Okay, that's basically what we could do. And then after each iteration, we just need to check, like, is s equals go? If it is, then we just return true. If it's not, so return false. The return false would be at the end of the iteration. I'm just trying to make it more easy to visualize, okay, what we would do for this approach. Anyway, let's jump into the code. I will show the code as well, and after that I will show you the other approach that we could use. Okay, so first thing that we need to check is just the size of the strings. If they are different, there is no way to make both of them be equal, even doing the shift. Okay, so if length of s is different than the size of go, so just return false. And right now what we need to do is go through the entire string. Let's get the size of s, doesn't matter here, they will be the same size. Okay, and now we'll do s will receive everything after and including the second position plus the first element of s. And now we check. If s equal go, then return true. Otherwise, outside the for, we return false. Let's check if that works. Okay, so it did work. But the problem is that for this approach, the time complex here is O n square. Okay. So let's see how we can solve this problem in just O n. Let me just clean that up. Okay, so basically instead of keep rotating the string step by step and checking if s is equal go, what we could do is basically concatenate s with s. So we would have a string like this, and this new string will contain all possible rotations of s. So for example, here the goal is E, A, B, C, D. We can find this goal inside the new S string, E, A, B, C, D. We could change this to be, let's say, B, C, G, B, C, G, E, A. Then we also are going to be able to find this new value inside S. So let's look for that, B, C, D, E, A. Okay, so it's here. And you know, it will contain all possible rotations, that's why it worked. So C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, A, B. Okay, so basically we need to concatenate the string and look for go inside this string, because if it's possible to do shift to make S become go, it means that go would be a substring of S in some case. So let's go and see this implementation. We will also need to check the size of the string, okay? And now basically what we need to do is create, let's say, double string. This will be S plus S, and then we'll return double string dot find, and then we look for go. And if it doesn't find go, the answer will be -1. So we need to check if it's different than -1. Let's check if this works. As you can see, it did work. Let me just, show. Okay, now it's better to visualize. So this is another approach that we could use to solve this problem. And the time complexity for the one is just O, N, where N is the size of the string, okay? So that's it for today, guys. Please leave any comment below, or like or dislike, just something that I know that my video it's good, or if I need to improve something. I'm still learning, how to record videos, how to be better explanations, and also I'm studying English, so a lot of it's going on, and I'm just trying to help you guys with my content. So that's all. Thanks a lot for your attention, and I hope to see you in the next videos.